Welcome to the solution for the hands-on activity, formatting techniques. Now that you have completed the hands-on activity, let me walk you through how I would approach these tasks. By the end of this activity, you will be able to apply both basic and advanced formatting options in Excel to enhance data readability and presentation. You will learn how to use conditional formatting to effectively differentiate between income and expense transactions, create and apply custom cell styles to ensure consistency in financial reporting, and develop a reusable template that standardizes your future reports. These skills will not only streamline your workflow, but also improve the clarity and professionalism of your financial documents. So let's begin by downloading the Module 4 Lesson 2 Hands-on Activity Dataset. We'll clean it up and apply basic formatting to make it visually clear and easy to read. Start by adjusting the column widths, so highlight columns A to E, and hover your mouse between any of the two columns and double-click. This expands the columns to ensure your data is visible without any overlapping text. Now we can format the date column, so highlight column A, and from the drop-down list in the numbers group, select short date. Next, we want to format the amount column to represent the donations and payments in pounds. Highlight column E, and from the drop-down list in the numbers group, where we can choose an accounting number format, select pounds. Finally, let's bold the headers. Highlight row 1, and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and B, we can format the headers to distinguish them from the rest of the data. You can also perform these tasks using Copilot. So let's do some further conditional formatting using Copilot now. Apply conditional formatting to the type column. For income entries, let's format the row background to a light green shade. Use the prompt where the type is income, highlight in light green. Once the prompt is executed, select Apply. Now we can do the same for expense entries and format the background a light red. And once again select Apply. We need to also test that the conditional formatting automatically updates as more data is entered into the table. So if we add another row of income, let's see if the same formatting is applied. And indeed it is. Now we can customize our number formatting for greater clarity. Let's enhance the presentation of the numbers in the amount column to provide clarity. Now, let's apply some more complex conditional formatting rules, and first we'll look at where our donor is equal to a specific donor in a specific month. Let's highlight the income amount in column E. So we'll use the prompt where the donor is donor B, highlight the amount in yellow, and select Apply. Now Copilot has highlighted all the income from donor B. We can narrow this down further and look at where donor B has contributed in a specific month. We'll use the prompt where donor C has donated income in March, highlight the amount in light blue. And select Apply. Once again, at a quick glance, we can see how much donor C has donated in the month of March. Now let's create a custom cell style for the financial report. Let's create a custom cell style that underlines the font in the header row and applies a light gray background. We can create this custom style by selecting Cell Styles in the Styles group on the Home tab. At the bottom, select New Cell Style and give it a heading. I will call it Report Header and select Format. In the Fill tab, we'll select a light grey background, and on the Font tab, we'll select Italic. We can also increase the font size if you prefer, and then select OK. Select OK to apply the style. Now highlight your headers. From the drop-down list, select Report Headers, and we can now apply this formatting for future reports. In Sheet 2, should you wish to reuse the cell style, highlight your range, and from the drop-down, select Report Header Cell Style, and immediately your formatting is reapplied. Finally, we can save the formatted worksheet as a template to ensure consistency in our future reports. So let's save this worksheet, Sheet 1, as an Excel template. Ensure the template includes the conditional formatting rules, the custom cell styles, and the number formatting we've applied. Then, select File, Save a Copy, and don't forget to use the extension XLTX. Great! Let's recap what we've done. In this activity, we explored essential formatting techniques in Excel to enhance the readability and consistency of financial reports for a nonprofit organization. As the financial officer, you transform poorly formatted data into a clear and professional presentation for stakeholders. By applying basic and advanced formatting, using conditional formatting to distinguish between income and expenses, and creating custom cell styles, you developed a streamlined approach to financial reporting. Additionally, saving your work as a reusable template ensures future reports maintain high standards of clarity and professionalism. Your newly formatted dataset is now ready to effectively communicate the organization's financial health.